For a dope-ass meal, we're gonna need a dope-ass main course, and so we're going to be making steak Diane. This is everything we're going to be using to sauce you up. Starting by mincing half a shallot, a clove of garlic, and chopping some mushrooms. I'm tying a string around a tenderloin so that it keeps a better shape during cooking. I'm not the biggest tenderloin fan, but it's more of a classic preparation of this dish to use a tenderloin or filet mignon. I'm then rolling around in some pepper and a decent amount of salt. And I'm going to reverse sear the steak in an air fryer. Setting the air fryer to 260 degrees, it should take about 15 to 30 minutes depending on the size of your steak. Whoa, that's kind of weird. The tenderloin became a ribeye in the air fryer. Never seen that happen before. Feel free to flip the steak every once in a while and remove it when it reaches the internal temp of 115 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let my steak chill on a paper towel while I get a pan ripping hot. I think I might get too excited when searing steaks because I forgot to hit the record button twice while searing the steak. First, I'm adding mushrooms to our steak pan and giving it a stir. Then our shallots, and finally our garlic after about 30 seconds of cooking our shallots. This all gets deglazed and flambéed with our liquor. After the flambé, adding half a cup of beef stock and letting reduce, before adding a quarter cup of heavy cream. Let the sauce thicken for 3 to 5 minutes before adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of mustard, some chopped chives, and salt to taste. We can then cut our steak against the grain to reveal a beautiful medium rare. Our steak then gets doused with our sauce and garnished with more chives. Oh yeah, steaky.